Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I wanted to come on and show you guys how I make my mosquito repellent candles. So I have a million candles laying around the house. So for the ones that are old, and you see these, they are so old that the plastic on them, I didn't even know it still had the wrap. That's how old they are and faded. So I kind of have them in my living room on the banister, and from the heat and everything, they're kind of warped. So I'm slowly taking those out and I'm melting them down and adding my essential oils to them to make them mosquito repellents that I can put outside. And I'll just buy more candles and then next summer do the same thing or what have you. But anyway, this is just a cheap way of doing it. Here I'm melting the candle. This process probably took I guess about an hour, and I might have filled up the water maybe twice. The last time I did this, y'all, this thing was so hot that I literally dropped it and candle wax went all over my stove. So this time I said, I'm going to take the whole pot in the room so I can let it cool just a little bit before taking it out. But yeah, thanks for watching.